We will now review the call for service tutorial. This tutorial will cover the main call screen where you will spend the majority of your time. There may be some functions described which you do not have access to. Please contact your system administrator for assistance with gaining access to those functions. The first thing you will see on the top left is the call type and description. These fields are color-coded to denote the severity of the call type. Red equals high, orange, elevated, yellow, medium, green, normal. Below the call type is the premise name, if one exists for this address. Clicking the first button will open up the premise information. The second button will be enabled if this address is part of a complex, an apartment complex, mall, shopping area, etc. Clicking this button will open the complex information. The address information is displayed next. Below the address is the reporting party information. If you are the primary unit for your agency on this call, you will be able to edit the information. When CAD updates this information, whatever is changed will be highlighted in blue. This tab is where you will see all text, person, and vehicle remarks entered on the call. You can enter your own remarks at the bottom of this section. All other call information is displayed on this tab. As with the reporting party information, anything which is changed by another user will be highlighted in blue to allow you quickly to locate any new information. All NCIC returns associated with this call are shown here. The units and agencies assigned to the call are listed here. You can click on a unit to see more detailed information. All events that have been recorded for the call are listed here, along with any transports that have been made. A wide array of functions are available through these buttons. You can view alerts and nearby alerts, change the call latitude and longitude to your location, make yourself the primary unit, create a new NCIC query, record a GPS location for a significant event, show this call on the map, or show a route to the call. These buttons will allow you to manually refresh the call or clear any information change notifications. When dispatched on a call, these are the buttons you will typically see. You can en route, arrive, cancel, or clear your unit from the call. Be aware that these buttons will appear and disappear as those functions are available. If you are already en route to the call, the button will not display to prevent duplication. When on scene at a call, you can create a transport record. Once you have cleared the call, you can use the quarters command once you have returned to the station, if this is a functionality that your agency uses. When you load a call that you were not dispatched to or has been cleared, you will be able to en route, arrive, or change the disposition of that call.